Illuminate your home, front yard lighting inspiration. In today's fast-paced world, where the first impression matters, enhancing the curb appeal of your home has become more important than ever. One effective way to achieve this is through front yard lighting. By strategically illuminating your home's exterior, you can create a captivating ambience that not only enhances its architectural features but also showcases your unique sense of style. In this article, we will delve into the realm of home illumination, providing you with outdoor lighting inspiration to transform your front yard into a mesmerizing visual spectacle. The power of front yard lighting. Understanding the importance of curb appeal. Curb appeal plays a vital role in creating an inviting atmosphere for your home. By utilizing front yard lighting, you can instantly captivate the attention of passers-by and potential visitors, leaving a lasting impression. Enhancing architectural features. Front yard lighting allows you to highlight the architectural features of your home, such as intricate designs, unique textures, and striking details. By accentuating these elements, you can add depth and character to your property's exterior. Types of front yard lighting. Pathway lighting. Pathway lighting serves both practical and aesthetic purposes. By illuminating the pathway leading to your front door, you provide a safe and welcoming environment for visitors. Choose fixtures that complement the overall design of your home while offering sufficient illumination. Landscape lighting. Landscape lighting focuses on highlighting specific elements of your front yard, such as trees, shrubs, or flower beds. This type of lighting adds a touch of elegance and creates a captivating visual impact, especially during nighttime. Accent lighting. Accent lighting is all about creating a dramatic effect by directing attention to specific areas or objects. Use this technique to highlight focal points, such as a beautiful fountain or a captivating sculpture, adding a touch of sophistication to your front yard. The advantages of LED technology. LED technology has revolutionized the world of front yard lighting, offering numerous advantages over traditional lighting options. Incorporating LED fixtures into your outdoor lighting design can significantly enhance the overall aesthetic appeal while providing long-lasting and energy-efficient illumination. By embracing the concept of front yard lighting, you can transform your home into a captivating oasis that reflects your personal style and attention to detail. Whether you opt for pathway lighting, landscape lighting, or accent lighting, each technique has its own unique charm. The use of LED technology further elevates the visual impact while ensuring energy efficiency. Front yard lighting plays a crucial role in enhancing the overall appeal of your home. Not only does it provide safety and security, but it also adds a touch of elegance and sophistication. In this article, we will explore various outdoor lighting inspiration ideas to help you illuminate your front yard and create a stunning visual impact. From highlighting architectural features to accentuating pathways and landscapes, let's delve into the world of front yard lighting and discover the possibilities it holds. Emphasize curb appeal. When it comes to home illumination, front yard lighting plays a pivotal role in enhancing curb appeal. Well-placed lights can draw attention to the architectural features of your home, making it stand out in the neighborhood. Consider using LED technology to highlight intricate details such as columns, arches, and ornate facades. The subtle glow emitted by LED lights creates a dramatic effect, making your home appear welcoming and aesthetically pleasing. Pathway lighting. Illuminate your pathways with strategically placed lights to guide visitors and create a safe and inviting atmosphere. Pathway lighting not only serves a functional purpose but also adds a touch of elegance to your front yard. Use soft, warm-toned lights to create a cozy ambience that leads guests to your front door. Consider incorporating solar-powered lights for an eco-friendly and cost-effective solution. Landscape lighting. Landscape lighting can transform your front yard into a mesmerizing outdoor oasis. Highlight trees, shrubs, and flower beds with well-placed lights to create depth and dimension. Use a combination of uplights and downlights to add texture and create visual interest. Consider incorporating color-changing LED lights to add a playful element to your front yard, allowing you to switch up the ambience for different occasions. Accent lighting. To truly elevate the elegance of your front yard, incorporate accent lighting to showcase specific focal points. Illuminate statues, water features, or a beautifully manicured garden to create a captivating visual display. Accent lighting not only adds a touch of sophistication but also creates a cozy and inviting atmosphere for evening gatherings. In conclusion, front yard lighting has the power to transform your home's exterior, enhancing its beauty and creating a warm and inviting ambience. From emphasizing curb appeal to illuminating architectural features, pathways, and landscapes, the possibilities for outdoor lighting inspiration are endless. By incorporating LED technology, you can achieve energy-efficient and long-lasting illumination. So, take the leap and illuminate your home's front yard to make a lasting impression on guests and passers-by alike. Let your creativity shine, and enjoy the stunning effects of a well-lit outdoor space.